Looking to upgrade your home audio without breaking the bank? Meet the Philips Bluetooth 5.0 home theater system, a compact powerhouse designed to deliver immersive sound for movies, music, and gaming. With its 2.1-channel setup featuring dual satellite speakers and a wireless subwoofer, this system packs a punch with 420 watts of total output. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures seamless wireless streaming from smartphones or tablets, while HDMI ARC support simplifies TV connectivity. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. First, the sound quality. The wireless subwoofer delivers deep, rumbling bass that brings action scenes to life, while the satellite speakers balance crisp dialogue and detailed mid-range tones. Whether it's explosions in Avengers or subtle background scores in Stranger Things, the system creates a theater-like experience. For music lovers, the dynamic range shines. Ed Sheeran's acoustic tracks feel intimate, while hip-hop beats stay tight and distortion-free. Plus, the Bluetooth 5.0 connection remains stable up to 33 feet, and NFC pairing lets you tap to connect compatible devices instantly. Convenience is key here. The included remote lets you adjust bass, treble, and input sources effortlessly. HDMI ARC ensures one-cable simplicity for TV setups, while optical, USB, and AUX ports cover all bases. This subwoofer's wireless design eliminates messy cables, and the sleek, minimalist speakers blend into any decor. Setup: under 10 minutes, plug in, pair, and play. At under $200, this Philips system outperforms many pricier competitors. While audiophiles might crave Dolby Atmos, it's a stellar pick for casual listeners and movie buffs wanting rich, room-filling sound. Minor drawbacks: no smart assistant integration, but for wireless streaming, easy setup, and bold audio, it's a win. Ready to transform your living room? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop comments below.